Happy Thanksgiving, Expert Authority World. I hope you are with your families, your friends, and I just wanted to take a minute and share my gratitude for you and this past year because it has been a wild ride. Uh, there's been a little bit of wild turkey involved, the food, not the other thing, but I'm really grateful. I'm it, you've watched the episodes, you've been following along, and you know that I'm grateful and thankful every day for many things. But I look back over the last year, and it wasn't fun a couple years ago after I lost dad, and it took a while to get back on track. And maybe I'm still working on that, but I look and I go, wow, it's only been a year, and I'm very, very grateful for all the listens, all the watching, whether you heard it in the app on YouTube, Facebook. And I just want to let you know I really appreciate it because God gave me this vision in 2018 and I had no clue what I was doing. I didn't want to do anything. I didn't really want to talk to anyone. I was still distraught over losing dad. And I go, you know what? What am I going to do with the rest of my life? And I really thought about it. And at church one day, you'll see on the About page on the website, I actually got the actual video, and you can see me in the front row in the whole sermon and everything. And it was just so impactful. And I was like, oh my gosh, you know? And last year, it's interesting. I think I had maybe, no, last year sucked. That's what it was. I had done maybe 4, 5, 6 episodes, and it was like one a week. I didn't know what I was doing. You can go back to episodes 1 through, I want to say 13 or 14. And though it took me 3 months to shoot the first 13 or 14, it was like one a week. And I was just trying to figure it out. And you can see that this wasn't here. This sure as heck wasn't here. And, you know, I'm just really thankful because I was piecing it together and I was like, God gave me the vision, figure it out. And last November sucked. Well, I thought you said you're grateful. I am grateful, and I'm super grateful because I'm excited to be with my family today. And last year, I was so irritated because I had it like went real good starting off, and the more I dove into it, I was like, it got bigger and bigger, and I didn't know what I was doing. Things weren't working at all. In November 2018, I don't think I shot a single episode, maybe one early on. And I go, you know what? I need to step it up. And I tried some different software and recording and different things. And that's why I recommend Wirecast Pro because the stuff I was using before, I'm not gonna put them down because I don't do that. I'm just gonna say there isn't anything better than Wirecast Pro that I'd recommend. I lost 5 to 6 weeks and I had some momentum, and it was all through November. Thanksgiving was good. I always love seeing my family and friends, like, you know, today. But it's just wherever you are in business, it's probably going well for you. But if you're anything like me, you want to get to that next level. You want to help more people. And wherever you're at, if it's going good and you want it to go great, or if it's going decent and you want it to just, maybe it's going well, it's profitable, but you don't have as much time freedom as you'd like. It's one of the big things I work on with my clients because they're all successful 6, 7 figure earners, but they want more time. Really enjoy today. There is nothing you're missing. There's nothing that's, if you couldn't figure out this entire month or the entire year up until this point, start today fresh. Have some good food. Enjoy the time with your family. Enjoy it with friends. Maybe both. Be fully present. And go, you know what do I want to do differently for the next however many days are left till the end of the year? Because we're not only going into a new month, but we're going into a new decade. What do you want to be different? Maybe maybe whatever, maybe you have the time, you want more money, regardless of, maybe you're at 6 figures and you want to go to 7. Maybe you're at 7, you want to go to 8. Maybe it's not the money you want, maybe it's the time. Maybe you have both, but you're not pursuing any passions of yours. Maybe 2 of the 3, whatever Rubik's Cube configuration you want to come up with, I know for a fact there's something that you want. Because I've worked with hundreds of people and they all look great on the outside. And when I talk to them one-on-one, they start coaching with me. I go, they start just opening up. And there's always a time where I'm like, hey, how are you on track with this, that, the other thing? Whether it's business, books, videos, whatever we're talking about. And I can tell they're frozen. And I go, let's stop for a minute. Forget everything we did the last 2, 3, 8, 12, 24 weeks. I go, who is it? The kids, husband, wife, staff. They're like, how do you know? I'm like, which one is it? There's always something I can find to help people with. And I don't know what it is because we're not talking one-on-one yet. I'm just saying be fully present today. If you can't, I remember when I launched the show, there was an event I really wanted to go to that I'd been going to for years, and I was like, oh, I need to work on and I just stopped. My brain kicked in. I go, if I can't take one day off, I'm building the show wrong. If I can't take one day off, I'm building the business wrong. You should be able to take a week or 2 off, a month off. You should be having it designed in a way you can do what you want. You should have your business work for you. You shouldn't have to work for it. You run it. You're the CEO. If you don't have a team, get one. If you have a team, maybe expand it. Maybe if you have a big team already, reduce it. Sorry, whoever's on that end of the stick, but if you have to be smart about it, whatever it is, I'm just saying I'm thankful because a lot has changed and I'm super excited, but my passion is helping you. And this is the best I can do right now to say, be present, be thankful, be grateful. You need to give your brain a rest. You need to take some time off. And maybe you already are. But who's someone in your life that maybe they are not in that position that you could reach out and be that for them? If you have it, share it. And if you don't have it, I would say strive to achieve it because you've already done so much. What are you giving back? What are you contributing? So this Thanksgiving, I'm really excited. I got the new app out, over 100 episodes of the show. Everything is going phenomenal. And I'm very, very grateful because without you, it wouldn't be possible. And for that, I'm thankful for. So have a happy Thanksgiving. I'll see you on tomorrow's episode. And as always, have a great day and God bless.